Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own personalized name necklace. Now let's dive right in. In a world teeming with mass-produced items, personalized have emerged as a beacon of individuality, creativity, and thoughtfulness. The allure of these unique treasures lies in their ability to convey an intimate message, to tell a story that resonates deeply with the recipient, making them an increasingly popular choice for gift givers around the globe. In the heart of this trend, we find Etsy, a vibrant marketplace famed for its eclectic mix of artisans, crafters, and creatives. Among the myriad of personalized items available, one particular product has been catching the eye of shoppers: the personalized name necklace. Exquisitely crafted from solid 925 sterling silver, these necklaces offer a variety of finishes, from the classic sterling silver to the majestic 18K gold and the romantic rose gold. The beauty of these necklaces extends beyond their physical attributes. They embody the essence of personalization, providing customers with the opportunity to choose from various font options and even adjust the length for the perfect fit. This level of customization transforms each piece from a simple accessory into a unique expression of identity. But the allure of these necklaces doesn't stop at the product itself. The sellers behind these creations have been lauded for their excellent customer service, with many offering flexible return and exchange policies and even rush orders for those last-minute gifting emergencies, ensuring that each customer's experience is as unique and personalized as the necklace they purchase. In the fast-paced world we live in, personalized gifts like these name necklaces offer a refreshing pause, a moment of connection, a chance to say, "I see you, I know you, you are unique, and you are special." In summary, the rising popularity of personalized gifts reflects a global desire for unique, meaningful exchanges. The personalized name necklace, with its blend of beauty, individuality, and excellent customer service, embodies the essence of this trend, offering a gift that is not just worn, but treasured.